Hi friends, so today's class is about modules. First, I will explain what is module. Module is the starting point to proceed with our automation. Module is a group or collection of attributes like objects, controls, and elements, which contains the technical information of the object in the application. See, this all the in application we can call this all this is these options like these options like controls, objects, and elements. These options have technical information where we can get this technical information in application after scanning these options. So in Xscan window, we are able to see the technical information. Then after saving that module, then we are able to see technical information in module attribute level. In This is the module attribute level, we are able to see technical information. So okay, we have four identification methods in Tosca. So identify by properties, identify by anchor, identify by index, and identify by image. So identify by properties. By default, Tosca uses properties identification method to identify the controls. So by default, Tosca uses properties identification method. I will show you practical part also. First, I will explain about theoretical part. Okay. So example, class name, tag, default name, inner text, name, and title are the stable options to make the controls in a queue. I will show now practical part. I'm giving right click on module. Then I have to select scan. Then I have to select application. I have to select the application here. So then I have to click on scan. I have to select on screen. Then only I'm able to select the controls. I'm able to scan the controls in application. So I'm going to scan these books, computers, elements, shoes, digital downloads, jewelry, gift card. So after that, I have unselected the select on screen. So here I'm able to see here controls is not in queue. If the controls is in queue, this color is like white color. So if the controls is not in queue, this color it is showing like orange color type. So I have to make the in queue the controls. So this all identified by properties. I said no, we have four identification methods. So I will explain about identify by properties. So about this is the control. This control have technical properties. So from where I can get this technical properties? So from application. After scanning the control in application, then only I got this technical properties in Xscan window. So here I have to choose, I have to select proper properties to make this control in queue. I said example here. So which properties we can choose first? Class name, tag, default name, inner text, name and title. Anything I can choose. So here I'm going to select properties. In technical properties, I'm going to select visible equal to true. Also, we are able to choose. So after choosing visible equal to true, my control is got in queue. So then computers I will check. I will take visible equal to true. So my computers also got in queue. So next, electronics. Here class name I'm not selecting. Why? This class name is empty. If I select also no use. So my control is not in queue after selecting the class name also because class name is empty. ID also empty. So that is the reason a priority visible equal to true I selected. So here also I'm taking visible equal to true. This all identify by properties. I'm selecting visible equal to true. So my all controls got in queue. The selected item is in queue. My all controls got in queue. So then I have to save this module. Have to select save option. How I make this controls in a queue? I used identify by properties. I have some properties about this control. So from where I got these properties? From application. After scanning the particular control in application, I got these properties in Xscan window. So after saving this one, this module got saved. So then I have to close the Xscan window. So once again, I will tell. So this books, first we have to check class name. It is there or not. If class name is there, we can select. So if class name is not there, means I checked this visible equal to true. If I select visible equal to true, so my control automatically got any queue. So if it is not any queue visible equal to true, then I have to go for a default name like that. With this default name also, it is not unique queue. So this visible equal to true only, my after selecting visible equal to true only, my control is getting unique queue. So that is the reason I am selecting visible equal to true. So I saved this already. I saved. So then I will close my Xscan window. I will show whatever properties I selected here. That all properties I will show in module attribute level. This is whatever now I scan this module, right? This is the module. So this all the attributes I said last class only. We can call these options all like attributes, module attributes. These module attributes have technical information. Where we can get technical information? Here in this properties. I selected in Xscan window to make the control unique visible equal to true. Same property I am able to see in properties. So whatever properties we selected in Xscan window for particular control, we are able to see that all options in this property, in technical properties. So for every attribute, I am able to see visible equal to true. So in the text is the digital downloads only for every control, visible equal to true I selected. So in the text is automatically it is there in properties. So I didn't selected in the text books. So automatically it is there while making the iniq. It is not iniq with this inner text. So that is the reason I selected visible equal to true. Okay. If I select, if I select any other option in Xscan window properties, that option also I'm able to see here. So I didn't selected any other action, any other options. So I selected only visible equal to that one. It is visible here, right? Today's class is that's it. Tomorrow I will explain how to make the unique the controls by using Anchor.